Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off microphone on iPhone. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So if you don't want a certain app to use your microphone, what you can do is go and turn that off, and you can go and stop it from having permission to go and access it. You can do that very easily. Just go and open up the settings app just like so. Now all you need to do is scroll down, then click onto privacy and security. Now scroll down again until you can see the option for the microphone. Just go ahead and click on it. From here you can choose which app can access to your microphone. So if you want to go and turn it off, you just need to switch it off, just like so. So that's it. That is how to turn off microphone on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.